हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने ब्रांचेस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स का माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स एंड मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स टर्म्स को डिस्कस किया था एंड बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में से फर्स्ट पार्ट जो उसका वांट, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, वांट and characteristics, meaning of want and characteristics, that is features of wants, we had covered up. Now in this video we will cover up with classification of wants, how to classify wants. Wants can be classified in the following ways, in different ways. The first classification is based on economic and non-economic wants. In simple, if we say economic wants, if I give example, then economic wants are the basic wants like food, medicine are the economic wants for which you have to pay money. You have to spend money. It is a monetary transaction. Monetary money transaction is involved in this. Economic wants, money transaction is involved. Without money you cannot have food. You can't buy medicines, you can't buy food. And on the other hand, if a person has to pay the price for them, an individual has to pay price for them, means has to pay price for economic wants, the wants which need to be fulfilled via spending money, by using cash, by utilizing fund money, that is called as economic wants. And non-economic wants are those which can be satisfied without making monetary payment for them. If I say, see, it is very simple. Non-economic wants are the wants where you no need to pay any money. These resources are available free of cost for you. You no need to pay any money. You can satisfy, you can enjoy, you can fulfill your want without making any monetary payment for these wants. These are air. For air, you no need to pay money. The natural air which you get, the air you get, you no need to pay unless and until a person is hospitalized and has to be given oxygen, right? The air we get free of cost, the sunshine we get free of cost. This is given free of cost to each and every person equally. So this is non-economic want. It is known as non-economic. So wants are classified on the basis of economic and non-economic. Economic related to money transactions in simple, and non-economic is related to non-monetary transaction, means there you don't have to pay any money. Now other classification is individual wants and collective wants. If I talk about individual wants, then individual means personal, person to person. Personal or individual wants refer to those wants which are satisfied at individual level. For example, a doctor using a stethoscope. Now stethoscope is not used by teacher. It is a need of, it is a want of a doctor. Teacher need chalk and box, chalk and duster, right? Teacher need chalk and duster, classroom. A doctor needs stethoscope for checkup. A judge wearing a coat, the coat which is worn by Supreme Court judge, High Court judge, that is his personal requirement. He have to wear, he have to have, he cannot say no to that. That is his individual need, individual want. When we come to the collective wants are social wants, means collectively it is enjoyed by group of people. It's a collective wants, social. where there is a collective satisfaction of wants. Means the satisfaction gained by the people will be the collective. If I talk about the public transport, for example, the traveling by train, when those who all are traveling by train, particular train, all the peoples, that means their collective want is get satisfied. You can take another example also for the collective wants. Collective wants, if a person is working in a company and a bus comes to pick that person, number of people, pick and drop facilities given, then also the collective wants of are been fulfilled, we say. Now next is necessities, comforts, luxuries. When we come to this point, here the wants are classified as per the necessity. Necessity means the compulsory needs. It is basic need, you can say. Necessities, basic needs. Comforts, just for comfort. To have comfort, and luxuries to just for pleasure and enjoyment. When we come to the necessities, comforts and luxuries, necessities are the very basic needs of life. Very basic needs of life. Food, clothing, shelter, health and education. These are the basic. रोटी कपड़ा मकान. और अभी एक और कॉन्सेप्ट ऐड हो गया है, that is health and education is also come under the basic needs, not only roti kapda makan. Another want is comforts. Are those wants which make our life comfortable, which make our life smooth in for running. It makes our life smooth. It makes comfort in our life. Suppose your mama is using washing machine. This is a comfort for mama. She no need to wash clothes by hands, right? She is using mixer to make chutneys and all. Pressure cooker for quick cooking. So these all come under the comforts. For the comforts, these wants have arisen. Then the next is luxuries. Are those wants which are meant for pleasure and enjoyment, just for pleasure, which gives you satisfaction, pleasure. For example, AC is for pleasure, car, well furnished house is for pleasure. अगर घर में फर्नीचर नहीं है तो क्या खुश नहीं रह सकते? रह सकते ना? Basic need can be fulfilled ना, घर है. But when it is well furnished, when there is AC in the house, we call it as a luxurious life, standard luxurious, right? So these are the classification of wants. Economic and non-economic wants. Economic means monetary transaction takes place, non-monetary transactions, individual wants and collective wants. Means doctor needs stethoscope, teacher needs chalk and duster, right? Collective wants come under like public utility facilities, transport, public transport, train, electricity, right? So collective wants are been fulfilled. Necessities and comforts and luxuries are three more wants. Necessities related to the basic needs, comforts related to the comfortable in the make our life comfortable, and luxuries means pleasure and enjoyment, related to pleasure and enjoyment. So this is how we have covered up with the features, that is characteristics of wants and classification of wants. In our next lecture, we will go ahead with the goods and services, and these terms, goods and services, utility, then we will go to the value, the terms we need to discuss deeply. So I have to make my videos short videos so I can give you thorough explanation of these terms. I don't want to rush up with the syllabus. Once you hear, it should get fixed in your mind and you should be able to write the answers on your own using economic terminology terms. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos. God bless you all, dear children. Stay at home, stay safe. Subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.